Tingnan yung river. So, kanina yung lalaki nag-jump. Kaya so clear. So, look at this road, guys. It's so winding. So it's so beautiful. It's so peaceful here. So we're in Sok River Road. So yesterday we're in Sok Road West Coast. So iba naman ito. So look at that, guys. So cool. And you can see a lot of trees. And we're done because we are here. Yes, dito na kami sa park. Sok River Road. So dito yung mga parking spot. Tapos, dito kami mag-hike, guys. Dito. So, mukhang daming tao ngayon. So, yeah, park is open. So, oh, we need to be parking. Wow, so weird. So, ito yung Sok pit. Oh. Look that sign, guys. Sok. What's... So, right. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ito yung another parking, pero kailangan pa namin magbayad, guys. Welcome to Regional Park. So, nandito na kami. So, nandiyan na yung asawa ko na paparkingan. So, tingnan yung trees. So, I just waited. Kami sa Sok Potholes, guys. Ito yung Regional Park. So, kahapon iba yun. So, mag-hike naman kami. So, hinihintay ko lang yung asawa ko nagbabayad kasi may bayad yung parking. Dito kahapon wala. So, kaya yun, I think dun sa likod yun. Kan hindi masyadong malayo. Kaya yun, guys. Namin sa Victoria, yung namin, hike. Kahapon nag-hike kami, pero hindi masyado. Tapos nag-drive kami sa West Coast Road. So, yung view na nakita namin yung US side, ang Washington State, at tapos ang Pacific Ocean. Tapos ang lamig kahapon. Dito hindi naman mukhang malamig, pero magdadala ko ng jacket in case. Sinusuot ko na yung jacket. So in case na malamig, meron na akong jacket. So yan, hat ka. Tapos yung GoPro ka. So, okay, nandito na yung asawa ko. It's warm, babe. Yeah. Okay. So, ito, guys. Ito yung park. Sok Potholes Park. So, lakad-lakad na kami. Ito yung view. So, sobrang ganda, guys. Look at that lake, guys. River. Okay. Alam muna ako ng tea, guys. So, lakad-lakad, guys. Yung mga bat, kasi yung step iba dito. Oh. So, quiet car, baby. Tapos yung mga trees. So, ang ganda dito, guys. Wow, that river is so clear. So, look at that, guys. Sa ibaba. So, doon. So, oh my God, it's so clear. That's the river, guys. So clear. So, look at that, guys. Wow. And doon swimming. So, look, trees. So, hindi ko alam
Well, we're gonna be done after this. Reno.
So, here. Look guys, ito yung
Reno, it's
the
okay.
ant stone. It's so careful na so guys. Kasi ito, hindi ko alam kung malamig ba to. So clear. Look, that river. So, and here, look at that. So, doon, hindi alam namin kung makarating kami doon. Kasi ano, tingnan nyo naman yung rock. So, hindi namin, baka doon kami ano, naghahan. So, look at this guy. See? Nice. So deep this river. Guys, it's done. Okay. Okay, so clear. So clear. So clear.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but this is so. It's so deep. Oh my god. Oh, I like it. Yeah. Okay. Careful, man. Okay, that. Oh my god. Whew. Scary. Yeah, you're right.
Everywhere. Yeah, we jumped on good.
Guys.
And there's a little cliff over here if you just want to do it straight away.
So, tingnan yung river. So, kanina yung lalaki nag-jump. Kanya so clear. So, clear sa river. Tapos malinis pa. So, sobrang deep. Sobrang lalim talaga guys. Tapos yung lalaki rin yun. Sobrang narrow. Tapos stone pa. So, itong trail to mukhang okay na. So, this is nice here now. Splash yung stone na baka nakita na kayo. So, dito okay lang. Kahit nakita yan ng video kasi flat na yung road. So, ito yung pinanasal puti ko yung riverside trail. So, hindi mahirap makarin. Naririnig ko pa yun yan. Agos. So, river. So peaceful here. So, yeah. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, starting now up. A lot go everywhere, especially like kind of. So dito na. Oh. It's nice, baby. Wow, it's so deep. So, tingnan nyo. You can see? Medyo mahaba-haba to guys yung lalakarin namin. So, born fat today. It's nice here now. But it's so cloudy over there. So, itong trail na ito medyo malayo-layo pero sobra. Hindi ka mag-worry kasi hindi narrow flat siya. Oh, this is for oh my god. Oh, sobra. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Tingnan natin, oh my god. Itong dalawa to gusto na jump. Oh my god, nakatakot kasi tingnan nyo yung stone. Oh my god, tingnan nyo guys. Yes. Oh my god. Tapos yung isa na naman tumalon. Guys. Okay. So, papunta sa river. So, doon kami kanina doon. Stairs, stairs, stairs na naman. There's a lot of people today. Papunta sa another trail. So, ito. Narinig yun yung, oh my god, it's, yeah. So, ito yung daan, guys. Diba? Oh, hirap. Hirap, guys. Then, guys, oh, there's another clip. So, there, guys, there. Look at that. So, guys, so, ayan, guys, tree. So, yung, yes. So, baba, guys. So, si ano, ang hirap po, tingnan mo. Na stone yung hirap. Oh. So, ito yung daan, guys. So, so, ito, guys, yung daan sobrang sikot. Tapos, ano nyo? Tapos, stone pa lahat. Oh. Yan. So, ito yung daan, guys. Bago kayo makarating, ito yung mga daan. Ito yung river, Sok River. So, tingnan nyo. Ito yun. Tapos, oh. Wow, that's cool. So, ang naman yun, guys. Hindi pa tapos. So, yes. So, look that, guys. Ayun, connected yun. Okay. Okay. So, oh. Ito naman, guys. Doon yun. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung river. So, tapos yung daan. Ito naman yung daan. So, choose talaga yung kalang dito. Tapos to, tingnan nyo. So, lahat stone. So, kailangan talaga mag-wear kayo ng shoes. So, baba naman ako, guys. Tapos ito yung so, ito. So, ito. Medyo malaki-laki talaga yung river. So, look that, guys. See? Doon. So, maganda naman, guys. Mukhang, uy, deep doon, guys. So, ito yun. Doon kami nag-picture kanina. Tapos ito yung mga stone. So, sobrang clear talaga. Okay. Sa kabila naman, guys. Kasi yung sa okay. Stone. Okay. Tapos ito na yung mga stone, guys. Ito yung daan doon na nilalakarin nyo. Tapos ito na yung okay, go back. So, babalik kami, guys. Sa river. So, sa pinagkakamag kami dito. So, balikan na kami sa daan. Kasi tingnan nyo malilipat naman doon. picture tatak. Naririnig yun yung agos. So yun. Kailangan kayong magpapo, especially pag magtitik kayo ng video. Kailangan kayong tingnan nyo yung daan kasi lahat stone. Ito yung so ito yung trail, lahat stone. Yung mga trees yan, makikita nyo ito. So ito naman. Ito yung lalakarin. So sabi ng asawa ko, don't touch like this. So this trail, baby. Next one. Nice. Tapos na kami sa Sok River Pathol. So ito yung road na makita nyo. Sobrang winding talaga. So bumalik na kami sa Victoria. Gusto ko lang kunin yung road kasi sobrang winding. So kaya yun guys, ito yun. So winding. Ouch. Sobrang yung hangin masarap, tapos fresh, walang pollution dito kasi tingnan na naman, ang daming mga trees, tapos quiet